trying to make me a damn wood stove. It's taking me forever to get this dang shit right. Damn hot water heater. You have to take the bladder out. And there's a lining of plastic in here I had to take out. I used a piece of cardboard to lay on this and trace it out and cut it out. This took the longest, man, because there was a little pipe fitting right here. I had to saw that off, grab a piece of small flat steel, weld it on there just so I can put my drill bit through there and cut that out. That's where the pipe's going to come out. Man. Anyways, that's what I'm working on. So there's my door flap I cut out. This is going to be the door flap. Homegrown wood stove. I'm going to put something somewhere for air. Probably just going to drill that hole right there, like I did on the other side. It's the flattest part of it, just like that. But the hardest thing was figuring it out, but I figured it out. But I don't have to figure it out now. I know what to do. To get my drill bit to stick, I cut this off, weld a piece of flat steel here, and then drill through the piece of steel so it'll still cut my hole. That's what I did on the other side. I've never done this before, so take it easy on me. I'll keep you updated. Here goes nothing. I clearly don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to learn as I go. Old titanium flux core welder. I love that thing, man. Alright, it's too late, but it looks close enough. Screw it. So I tack welded it a lot of places. And then on the back side, little bit right here in the center, right there, a couple tack welds. I might need to go one or two more right here. But other than that, it looks good, man. Shoot, I don't care, man. Other than that, I think I got a homemade fireplace already off the ground. Booyah! I need to go get me some pipe, elbow piece to come up through the roof. I'm preparing for next winter, man. We went this winter without any kind of heat except for kerosene heater, and that stuff was $8 a gallon, man. So I was like, I gotta figure out something else. And yeah, you might say, why don't you just go buy a wood stove? I've been unemployed for the past 2 years, so I had to do with what I got. I learned that from another YouTuber. Work with what you got, and this is what I got, you know? Well, I ain't got no hinges. I'm gonna have to go buy some. I'm gonna have to resume this later. And of course, I'm gonna take this paint off. Probably going to use my flap disc. I gotta still get the rubber out of the inside of it. Probably gonna sit it in the middle of a field somewhere and put a lot of wood in it and burn it out. But there's a grate right here I'm gonna use to set the wood on. And I'm not gonna weld it or anything because I need to pull it out. So it's about 4 inches off the bottom here. I say, heck yeah. That's what I say. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, and I'll try to get another video of it finished. Thanks. Bye.